Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to work with Deliveroo for the first time in Italy. First, open your web browser and go to careers.deliveroo.co.uk. Once the page loads, tap the menu and select Find a Job. Next, use the filter option and choose Italy as your location. This will show all available Deliveroo jobs in Italy. Scroll through the list and select a job that fits you. Tap Apply Now. Fill in your details and submit your application. After applying, wait for a call or email from Deliveroo. If you're selected, you'll complete training and document verification. And that's it. That's how to start working with Deliveroo in Italy. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.